Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the lens on your car. I have a very easy process, and you probably can do it within like 2 minutes. They sell a lot of products that where you have to scrape all this, but really nothing works. Eventually it will fade out again. But the process I have, it takes you 1 minute, 2 minutes max. You can do both lights in that amount of time. Very simple and very easy. I'll show you before and after. But first, we're gonna put on the headlight. You'll see the difference between this light before and after. Let me turn on the headlights. Alright guys, as you can see, it wasn't even that clear to see this, but very simple solution. All you need is a rag. And you need a WD-40, alright? So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take your rag, spray some onto that. And simple, guys. Look how shiny that is, alright? Look at the difference in that, alright? Nice and shiny. Let's go over to the other side. Like I said, guys, this will fade out over time. But if you're gonna spend 2-3 hours and $40-50 worth of material, and your lens is gonna not stay that clean that long, this is a quick and easy process to make the car look nice and shiny. Again, some WD-40. And there it is, right? This little stuff on this car is an internal, so there's nothing you could do with that, but the lens is nice and clean, guys. Look at that. Took me 2 minutes. Probably less. Right? So, there it is, guys. And here it is, alright? Let me put the light on now and you'll see the difference. Alright guys, there it is. And that's it, guys. Please subscribe, share, and like all of my videos. And I will see you on the next one.